Hello guys, this is Eleftheria. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're well, and in this video today we're going to talk about Pinterest affiliate marketing. And also I wanted to let you know that I did actually launch a Pinterest affiliate masterclass, and it's launched a couple of days ago. And in this course, you obviously gonna learn the right way to earn some extra money from affiliates, how to use direct affiliates on Pinterest, and also don't forget that you need to follow the correct rules when it comes to Pinterest, because there are also companies that don't allow their links on Pinterest. So there's things you're gonna learn about how to find over 10 different companies to find the correct affiliate products to promote, and also choosing the right affiliate networks so you can actually make some extra money from your business. And also I want you to give you a bit of a brief of what is you're gonna learn in this mini Pinterest marketing class. First of all, generally speaking of affiliate marketing, before you even trying to sign up for all the products, you have to make sure that you have done a little research before and find a particular niche to register as an affiliate so you can promote the products. I think from my point of view, you can start by finding, for example, in Google a couple of things and like searching in general if you want to. But before that, you can actually even search what's the best niches for Pinterest, for affiliates on Pinterest. If you just want to make some extra money without an online blog, or if you have a blog or another business, is completely different. And don't ignore affiliate marketing. Is a very, very powerful tool, and it's also very good to have partnerships because it's going to help you monetize your Pinterest profile, and also it's going to give you a passive income. And starting by searching in Google, have a couple of do small research if you want to. What's the most popular, for example, niches on Pinterest, if you want to, because if you have, for example, already a blog, what I suggest is you need to find a service to promote that is actually you don't sell. So you need to actually connect on your niche to what your affiliates are selling in order for you to make some extra money, because it's going to give you also a boost, and it's going to help you to sell more. And then you can focus in, as we talked in the previous videos, on increasing the traffic, because that's why we do have to start increasing our traffic and then earn more money, because you need traffic. If you don't have traffic, you're never gonna get sales. So this is what I suggest, and this is what I teach you in this course on how to get the correct affiliates and fill up your boards. If you just started, affiliates is the best way to fill up your boards and also make some extra money. You will be teach in the course a small strategy on how to obviously grow your income by circulating the right way your pins with your affiliates on Pinterest. And also, you need to remember that in this course, you're going to find out the rules. Again, what is allowed on Pinterest and what is not allowed on Pinterest. And remember, affiliates on a small website, for those who wants to make money, is much, much, much better than other links like ads or anything, because sometimes Pinterest might pick it up like all these bots and all these fast and might put you as a spammer, and then you have to have those problems with suspending accounts. And a lot of people will have these websites with a lot of dodgy links and a lot of links on the blog post or on the website who try to make money. It's actually a lot of them, they're getting suspended, and this is something for you to consider, because affiliate marketing is actually the best way to earn passive income. And if you've done it the correct way, you can earn money on a regular basis. There are people that are earning a lot of money from affiliate marketing. I earn a lot of money as well. But it's also, you will see what is working for you or not, because sometimes you need, as I said that before, you need to put some effort into it. And also there is a small strategy to use for tailwind in order for you to get more traffic to those affiliate. In the Pinterest Affiliate Masterclass, you also gonna learn how to actually write 7 different value blog posts in order to convert them into a sales. You also going to find out about your the Pinterest companies that, for example, that allow on Pinterest, what's the rules, what to write, what to say. And we have a couple of these tested, so all the strategies that have been tested. So I've done it myself, so I have a lot of examples over there for you to see. And if you follow the rules correctly, you are going to make money. And the more you use it, the better, especially if you just started on Pinterest and you want to make some extra money while you're growing your business. It's good to monetize your profile the right way. Also, there I have 4 incredible bonuses to this class, and you're not gonna find those anywhere. It's 30 days free with Canva Pro. You have 2 months free with Tailwind, and you have 10 free Canva templates. And also you have my Facebook group support that we will talk about all your issues that you face over there, and if you tested the strategies correctly, and also any questions you might have. You're not going to find those 4 bonuses anywhere. It's incredible bonuses. The price is really good, and also you will learn in this class things that you didn't learn before, and these very good strategies about how to increase basically your income. And don't waste time on, is that going to make Pinterest think I'm a spammer? Because remember, there are a lot of companies, there are rules and we have to follow. Also, there is rules for affiliates that is included in the course, and also any other extra training has been downloaded. So please let me know if you have any questions, and hopefully I see you in my class and you join and you want to progress. The thing with Pinterest marketing is simple. You download, you create your pins. For instance, this is something new. If you want to do direct pin links on Pinterest, this is another way. And also you need to find out what's the way to do it correctly, and what to say, what to do for direct links. Sometimes some of them, guys, there are actually been blocked, so you need to remember those things. Now Pinterest always is changing algorithms, and actually now recently they added Pinterest trends. So they're adding things every day, but we also was learning from this. And I'm telling you that those strategies I've used it myself, have been tested, and is really working, but you need to work it. And also, don't forget that I have a lot of examples for blog posts for the blog post also, and you can have a look through on my profile if you want to have a look through before, because I have, done a couple of things. And please let me know if you have any question. And remember that this is a class for you to make some extra money. And also, if you need anything, please let me know. And thank you very much.